In this quick video, I'll show you how to download YouTube video in laptop gallery. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So there are two ways to download YouTube video. If you want to download your channel videos, then tap on your channel icon or your profile icon, then go to YouTube Studio from here. Now click on content from this panel and it will show you all of the videos you uploaded on your channel. If you want to download any of the video, then tap on the three dots and then click on download, and then it will start downloading that video in your laptop or computer. If you want to see it, then open the video in your computer and it will be available inside your file explorer. But if you want to download a video from channel, then open the video in YouTube and then you will see this download option under that video. I want to download this video, so for that I'll click on download and then it will show you this new window. Here we need to select the quality. If you want to download your video in low quality such as 480p or 140p, then you can select the quality and hit on download and it will start downloading. But suppose you want to download high quality videos, then select the quality from here, but make sure that you have YouTube Premium membership available on your Google account. I don't have it, so for that I'll select low quality from here and then click on download and it will start downloading the video in my YouTube. To find where my video is downloaded, we need to tap on the three lines which are on left panel, then go to downloads from here, and here you will find all the videos you downloaded from YouTube and you can play them from here as well. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.